Woohoo! Today we are going to make a license plate holder, and this is going to be it.
First plan was to use steel bar and hydraulic pipe because I was thinking that I will feed the license plate light wires through that pipe. Then I made some bending to the bottom bar so that it will provide the final gear box, and I can get it in better line with the top bar. So here you can see the bends that I made, and the pivot points for the plate holder will be the rear axle nut under the rear axle nut and under the rear socket nut, so it's quite firm. After I got the main bars in the position and direction I liked, I just taped up some support bars. And as it looked quite good, I just decided I will use the steel bars, cut them in the length and weld them in the place. So this is how it came out with the first try. Next I thought I will use the tube bender and continue bending that hydraulic pipe, but as you can see later, it didn't quite look as good as I hoped, so I ditched the idea and started to make actual plate holder from the steel bars. And by the way, big shout out to the Team Customs YouTube. Tink is one of my first subscribers, so go and check out his site and check all the crazy content he has on there. So this is how it looks after the paint. From the distance it looks quite good, but as you can see I didn't get it as round as I would like to, and it's not that even all the way around the tires, so let's go to the plan B. Yeah, sometimes you have to go with the plan B with everything. As I put the license plate onto the tire, it seems that the plate holder will go way too low, so I had to cut out the pivot point plates and weld them all together one more time. The aim was to get the holder brackets in better angle compared to the license plate. And I think it came out quite good with the second try. longest time I got my youngest son to help with this project, which is young gun Yamaha. Oh, some child labor over here. He's just smoothing out my crappy weld.
All right, 1 year later. All right, let's see if we can fit this back to back to the bike. Oh fuck! I know it should fit here. Oh, damn it! I forgot that I have to. It goes behind this. Let's see if we can get this back onto the bike after we take the spring out. Oh, it's so fucking stubborn at the moment. Oh, it came down that much. What the shit? This is going to be a problem. Well, let's worry that later. So it goes like this. Ta-da! Just like that. Washer. And the axle nut. Which way this was? Like this. Ow. Okay, so I have to lift the bike up quite a lot. Damn. I need to check of all trades. Okay, let's pump it up. Oops. What is going to happen? Little more. Okay. Something like that. Oh, you're moving. Hey, come on now. I know you have been there. Why it's not going? Did I mess up the... No. Okay. Like that. And then... Where is all the... This one was up. I need new one. This is broken. Or new one. And where is the washer from here? Where did I put that one? Oh, fuck. It was not this. Was it? Maybe it was. Oh my god. Sorry about my old man breathing. This can't be right. Did I have the washer after all behind the spring? What the fuck? Let's see. That's like that. No, yeah, it's good. Like that. Something like that. So, this is how it came out. So it goes behind the shock tower and behind the axle nut. And comes out. Like this. It looks freaking massive. The plate, I mean. Not sure yet if I have to make some kind of support bar this side also, but I'm not going to do it until I have to. But yeah, that's it for the plate holder.